How to use Metamask on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. In order to get Metamask on Android, first of all open up Play Store or App Store, and after opening up, search for Metamask, and this is how it will appear. Now select the option of Metamask over here, and this is where it will take you. Now you can install Metamask in your device if you want to use it, and after that click on open in order to open it up. You will have to create your account, or you can import your older Metamask account. If you want to, you can check out other videos about it on our channel itself. After creating your account, you can simply see this particular screen. It is the home screen. Here you get the option to switch network on Metamask from one network to another by clicking on or selecting any particular network. You can scan any particular QR code in order to make payments. You can see your wallet address. You can see the tokens that you have and the NFTs that you have on the home page itself. On the second tab on the bottom, you would be able to find the history of your transactions. On the third tab, it is for the buying and selling and doing all other stuff on Metamask. You can use it to buy, sell and swap crypto. Also, you can bridge crypto from one network to another using the bridge option. You can send the crypto as well from your Metamask to another Metamask or the decentralized or centralized exchanges out there. Or you can also receive crypto in your Metamask wallet, and you can utilize the receive option for that. Now let's move on with our another option, which is the browse. Here you can browse any website, Web3 website to be precise, in order to connect with them and do the transactions on Metamask itself. All you have to do is just simply search for any particular website, and you will be able to connect with them on the Metamask and do the different tasks on it. Now let's move on to the last tab, which is the settings tab, and here you can make changes to your Metamask settings, or the advanced settings can be accessed from here as well. So this was the short tutorial on Metamask. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.